Huawei gives a preview of its Luterra S2. The all-in-one storage solution has to focus on safety and security. Let's take a look. Hello and welcome to PV Guided Tours. We are now at Huawei booth, and right next to me stands David Niehaus, Solution Manager. Hi David.
Hi Niels, and welcome you to the booth here. And I think we can already talk about the elephant in the room, our new Luterra S2. We are pretty happy to present it this year today at the Intersolar. And for the beginning, I can give you some information, but it is just more or less a sneak peek, a preview, call it what you want. So not all information I'm telling you today are 100% sure, and I can't give you all information.
So but we are delighted. We have a sneak preview here maybe, and just, give us a trip through the highlights with the Luterra storage system.
What we are seeing with the Luterra S2 is an all-in-one system. Right now the market, especially installers in Germany, they are looking for a system which is fast to install because they want to grow also big with the business. And this is possible with a system just like this all-in-one system where you have all the connections easily just stackable, and it's done. Our system, approximately, you need about under 10 minutes to install it. It's really, really fast. Also what we have changed here is that battery packs, we reduce the weight dramatically. For 5 or 7 kilowatt hours, which are the modules, capacity, it's under 50 kilogram. And this is really interesting because we could kept all the big advantage of the S1 storage with this strengthen all the safety features within this Luterra S2. What we also have here, as I said, we have capacity of 5 and 7 kilowatt hours, and now we can not only stack 3 batteries on top, we can stack up to 4. This will also increase the maximum capacity of the system, and this helps in the near future customers for dynamic tariffs as well as energy sharing, so that they can even a bigger system at home and make more profit with everything here. So I think that's very interesting as well. What also will be interesting is approximately the inverter, because we have also a single phase and a 3-phase. We're talking mostly about 3-phase here in the German market. We will have about 5 to 20 kilowatt inverter power. It's very interesting, I think, here. And combined with the capacity of the storage system, we have a lot of power, and we have a lot of other safety features integrated, just similar like the S1, because we want to stay the same focus with our home storage system as well as CNI system, we will see later, Niels, is safety. Safety is the focus of Huawei, and also efficiency. Efficiency, I can also say a word. We are now have here a system which is fully MOSFET and everything SiC, silicon carbonate. Everything is fully silicon carbonate, and this will increase as well the efficiency of the system. And what we also have here are some software features, AI features, which we'll see behind me. There we have the possibility for the end customers to make more out of the system, direct and control the system easier, just like you know it from ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, call it what you want. We have a similar system integrated now, and you can ask the system, hey, my car should be fully loaded, the next day make it as cheap as possible with the dynamic tariff I have. Easy as it is, everything will be calculated, plug in your car, that's it. And as well, you can also find easily problems with the plant. If there's someone, what is the problem and how to handle it? This will also be interesting for installers here, because we will have here more capability for the installers and the end customers to find, if there's a problem, solutions here very fast. And what we also have here is, as I said, the safety features and safety also regarding for the installation. Because just like the S1, you can also install the system outdoors and indoors. Why outdoors? Very important, because some customers do not want to have this in their house because they are worried about the safety. It's always the same. but we have also the same feature as S1 and even go a step further again. This will be released also with the launch event. It's very interesting features here, and we have also heating plates inside, so you can install the system outdoors without any losses of warranty. And because it's also very important, because if you're using a storage system outside, you will cool the whole system, the batteries down, and there really you have the problem, because physically you have a problem of degradation, and that's how we are controlling this, and that's how we can keep this warranty up to 15 years, also for auto installation.
Okay, I see. Safety is a really important topic. We also have a new CNI storage system. Can we have a look?
Yes, Nils, let's go over, yeah?
Okay, David, this is a CNI system. What has changed so far?
Yes, Nils, it's not a totally new system. So it's more or less the same system as we already showed, but what we now have is a change from the capacity from 215 kilowatt hours to now 241 kilowatt hours on the same footprint. So we have more power as ever. And what also very important is topic safety. We still have here the highest safety standard which TÜV Rheinland has certified, the prime level, and we're very, very proud here because no other competitors right now at the market have the same prime level as we. What also is very important is efficiency, because we are talking about AC system here mostly for the CNI section, and we are claiming 91.3% round trip efficiency. This means what goes in, what goes out, and what will be at the end here. This is very important for AC system because every kilowatt hour means money which will lost or will be made. Quite simple.
Yep.
And we had last year the VDE, the German Institute, have taken a look, and they had about 92% or 0.25 C rate, and at 0.5 C rate, 91.6% efficiency. It's very good value here. But we also have, and this will be also very interesting, another institute have taken a look into the efficiency of the storage system, the AIT, the Austrian Institute of Technology, and this white paper will be released soon. And what I can say is the numbers are also as high as the VDE, about the similar value, and we are very, very proud of this here.
Well, congrats. Sounds really good and interesting. Good luck on the trade fair. Who now wants to get more information, please follow the link down here.